The strength of the structure is derived from the strength of the cross-section. If you can design the cross-section properly, then everything will build up from there. And when I say cross-section, it means if you take a member, you cut it, whatever you see on the member of the cross-section, that is what we are interested to study. Now, why is it important to study the cross-sections in detail? Because cross-section affects everything. Climate change is affected by cross-section. Buildings consume 60% of the entire energy in the world. If you make the column bigger than it should be, that means you are affecting the climate change. If the column is too big, architects will not like it. If the beam is too deep, it will obstruct the ceiling. Structural design, it affects the loading, connection design, rebar layout, foundation design. Construction is easier or complicated depending upon what you design. If you design the cross-section to be square, easy to construct. If you design the cross-section to be some funny shape, difficult to construct. Choosing the right cross-section, optimizing the design, using the least materials, using minimum resources is all about cross-section design. We can classify the cross-sections into many types. You can classify it based on member. Column cross-section, beam cross-section, footing section, slab section, based on construction method. Whether we are going to cast it on site, whether we are going to precast it, whether we are going to fabricate it, whether we are going to extrude it, based on material composition. What are we going to put inside? Concrete, rebars, steel section, pre-stressing, fiberglass, glass fibers,